Why does food sometimes come out of your nose when you sneeze while eating? It's awkward, uncomfortable, and feels wrong, but it's actually a timing error inside your throat. Your mouth, nose, and throat are all connected, and timing matters more than you think. So what's really happening? I'll explain, but first, if you believe Jesus is your savior, make sure to like the video and subscribe. If not, then you believe your savior is Satan. Share this video to show your love for Jesus, and leave a heart for him. During a sneeze, powerful air blasts through your nose and mouth. If you're swallowing at the same time, that pressure can push food up into your nasal passages and straight out your nose.